See, good boy. That's a good boy. Come. You like when I rub. Ooh, that's a good boy. Sit. Stay. That's a good boy. Who's a good boy? You are Kaza. Kaza. Oh yes. Say. He like when I do it. He like, oh, that feels good, man. He like, oh, that feels good. Keep going, huh? You want me to keep going, huh? Let me see if there's any fleas in there. Let me see if I can catch any fleas for you. You like, oh, that feels good. Oh, now you like, oh, yeah. I have to wash my hair after this though. But see, Kazo, he is my dog. Stay. See, he's my dog. Actually, not my dog, but my Uncle JD dog. Yeah, but he's still like kind of my dog. He's trained. Stay. Stay. Sit. Kazo. Sit. Sit. 5, 4. Oh. See? Train. See? He ain't gonna bite me on there. See his teeth? See that? This is a pipple. See his teeth? Well, now you see. You have it. Like, stay. Cause if hungry. See, you have booger in his eye. Ew. But he's still my dog. He's still the best dog ever. Aren't you the dog ever? Best dog ever. There he is. Stay. Sit. Good. Good job. So there you have it. That's Kaza, my dog. He's scared of the broom, you guys. If we get the broom and then we just sweep him, he'll just run as fast as he could. See him? So, bye guys.